Now, if you were watching Breakfast earlier this week, you might remember we had a beautiful dog called Snowdrop on the sofa looking for a new home. I'm pleased to say we have some good news.
So there we go. After the appearance of Breakfast, Dogs for Rescue inundated, maybe not surprisingly, with offers to rehome Snowdrop. And she's found a new family to take her in. This is Michelle who got in touch. Two of them have now met. There was the moment. And all is going well. So Snowdrop now has a new home.
Oh, Snowdrop was being used to breed puppies relentlessly when she was rescued and so responded so well to that affection. So pleased to see that she's found a new home.